My dear, I picked you. You were chosen for something you still do not understand, something that is not yet clear to you. Something is already moving in your life, even if you cannot see it yet, and that is why everything has felt strange lately. People leaving, doors closing, silence growing, it was all part of a process. It was never punishment, it was preparation. I removed what would hold you back. Even when you begged for it to stay, even when it hurt you deeply. Because I can see what you cannot see yet, and I know what you are becoming. There were nights you thought you were forgotten, but I was there, watching every tear, every thought, every silent breakdown. And I did not leave you. I was building something inside you, something stronger than your fear. Something deeper than your pain, and now listen carefully. Because what I am about to tell you changes everything. The delay you hated was not delay. It was alignment. The loss you cried over was not loss. It was removal of what could not enter your next level, and yes, there is a next level. But not everyone reaches it, because not everyone survives the silence. Not everyone survives the waiting, but you did. Even when you were tired, even when you wanted to quit. Even when nothing made sense anymore, you are still here. And that is proof that something inside you cannot be broken. And now something is about to shift, not slowly, not later, but soon. And when it happens, you will not recognize your old life anymore. Because everything that was blocking you is already being removed, and what is coming next. And what I started in you is not finished yet, and that is something to consider, a process that is still unfolding. You are standing at a point right now, a moment in time, where the old version of your life is already fading, slowly disappearing from view. Even if it still looks the same on the outside, something has already changed behind it, a shift has occurred, and that is why your emotions feel heavier, more intense, and complex. That is why your mind feels louder, more active, and restless, and that is why nothing feels fully stable anymore. Everything is in a state of flux. It is not confusion, it is something else, a different sensation, it is transition, a period of change, and growth. You are not going backwards, you are being pulled forward, into something new, into something you once prayed for, but forgot how big it really is. And this is where most people get scared, because before breakthrough, there is always silence, a quiet moment. Before elevation, there is always emptiness, a sense of void. Before new doors open, old ones must fully close, and that can be a difficult process, and I know you felt that closing, I know you felt that pain. I know you questioned everything in that moment, you wondered what was happening, but listen, that moment was not the end, it was the beginning of removal, a time of letting go. Everything that could not grow with you had to leave, even if it broke your heart, even if you did not understand it, because what I am building inside you cannot carry old weight. And now something very important is happening, you are starting to outgrow your old life, and that feels like loss, it feels like something is missing. But it is actually expansion, you are becoming someone who cannot fit into old spaces anymore, and that is why you feel disconnected, that is why certain people do not feel the same anymore. That is why certain places do not feel like home anymore. It is not rejection, it is redirection, a new path is unfolding. And very soon, you will reach a moment of clarity, where everything that confused you suddenly makes sense, and that will be a peaceful moment, a moment of understanding. Every delay, every heartbreak, every silence, will connect like a picture, and you will finally see that nothing was against you, everything was shaping you, and when that moment arrives, you will understand why I never let you settle, because what I chose you for was always bigger than what you imagined. Is not something you can reverse, and it is already in motion, it has been set in place. Even if your eyes cannot see it yet, even if your mind cannot understand it yet, something has already shifted, and now everything around you is adjusting to that shift. That is why things feel uncomfortable, that is why timing feels strange, that is why nothing feels stable anymore. It is not chaos, it is correction. You are being aligned with a path you once drifted away from, and I am bringing you back to it, not gently, not quietly, but completely. Because your destiny is not small, and I refuse to let you live like it is. There were moments you thought you were losing everything, but you were actually losing what was never meant to stay, and I know that hurt, I know that broke something inside you. But listen carefully, that breaking was not destruction, it was preparation for rebuilding. Something stronger is forming in you now, something more focused, more aware, more powerful. And closer to the moment, everything starts to reveal itself, and it is a process that unfolds slowly. But before it does, there is one final stage, and this is the hardest one, because it feels like nothing is happening, it feels like silence is winning, it feels like you are stuck in the same place. But that is the illusion. Behind that silence, something is moving fast, your life is being rearranged in ways you cannot predict, people you no longer need are slowly fading out, opportunities you thought were gone are being rewritten, and paths you never considered are being prepared. And I know this is confusing, because you expected change to feel loud, but real change often feels like delay first, before it becomes destiny. And this is where your patience is being tested, not to break you, but to strengthen your foundation, because what is coming next requires a version of you that does not panic, a version of you that does not give up in silence, a version of you that trusts even when nothing makes sense. And that version is already inside you. It is waking up slowly, every time you survived something you thought would end you, every time you stood back up after breaking, every time you kept going with no answers, that version of you grew stronger. And now it is almost ready, almost fully formed, and when it activates, everything will start to move quickly, doors will open suddenly, connections will align instantly, and what once felt impossible will feel natural. But until that moment, you must stay steady, because this silence is not empty, it is loaded with timing, and the timing is almost here, and when it arrives, you will finally understand. And what is coming next will not feel like anything you experienced before, because this time, it will happen suddenly, without warning, without preparation in the way you expect, and that is why I am telling you now, so your heart does not panic when it begins. You have been trained in silence, without even realizing it. Every delay, every disappointment, every closed door, was training your spirit to stay steady. And now that training is complete, something new is about to activate in your life, but listen carefully, it will not look like success at first, it will look like confusion, it will look like things are getting worse, it will look like nothing is changing, but beneath that surface, everything will already be moving into place, and this is where most people give up, right before the breakthrough, because they misread the silence. They think nothing is happening. But you are not most people. You were never meant to break at this stage, you were meant to endure it, and you did, even when you were tired, even when you questioned everything, even when you felt completely alone, You kept going, and that endurance is not invisible, it is being counted, it is being recorded in the direction of your destiny. And now something important is shifting. The things that used to block you are losing their power over your life. The fear that used to stop you is getting weaker. The confusion that used to control you is starting to fade. And you may not even notice it yet, but your reactions are changing, your thoughts are changing, your patience is changing, and that is how you know. Not the end, but the turning point, where everything you went through starts to make sense. But before that clarity arrives, there is one more test, and this one is quiet, so quiet that most people miss it completely. It does not come as pain, it comes as waiting, and in that waiting, your mind will try to convince you that nothing is happening, but do not believe that voice, because that is the final illusion, right before breakthrough. Everything slows down on purpose, so your spirit learns to trust without proof, and I know that is difficult, because you want answers, you want timing, you want clarity, but what is being built in you right now cannot grow inside instant answers, it only grows in silence, and that is where you are right now, in the deepest part of preparation, where nothing feels visible, but everything is being shaped. And I need you to understand something very clearly, you are not stuck, you are being positioned, you are not delayed, you are being refined, you are not forgotten, you are being guided, even now, even here, even in this exact moment, something is aligning around your life, that you cannot see yet, but you will feel it soon, in the way opportunities start appearing again, in the way people begin to return or leave naturally, in the way doors open without force, and when it starts happening, it will feel unreal at first, like everything is finally responding to you, because it is, but listen, do not rush it, do not panic when it changes quickly, because what you have been through until now was only preparation for speed. And now the speed is coming, and it is a gradual process. The shift is coming, a change that will unfold. The alignment is coming, a realignment of your path, and when it fully arrives, you will not ask why anymore, you will simply understand. You will only say, now I understand, and that will be enough. Not in theory, but in real life, in ways you cannot fully predict, something is already approaching your path, quietly, steadily, inevitably, and the strange feeling you have been carrying lately, that feeling of something is about to happen, that is not imagination, that is awareness, because your life is no longer in the same phase it used to be, you have crossed something already, even if it did not feel like a victory yet, even if it felt like silence. And now you are in the space between what ended, and what is about to begin, and this space always feels uncomfortable, because it is empty on purpose, so nothing distracts you from what is coming, and I need you to stay steady here, because this is where many people break, not in pain, but in waiting. They assume nothing is happening, so they walk away from their own transformation, but you are not walking away. Even when your mind tries to question everything, even when your patience feels thin, something inside you is still holding on, and that is not weakness, that is alignment, that is proof you are still connected to your direction. And now listen carefully, because this part is important. What is coming into your life next will not need force, it will not need chasing, it will not need struggle like before, it will enter naturally, like it was always meant to find you. But for that to happen, the version of you that used to struggle for everything must no longer lead your life, and that shift is already happening, quietly, internally, deeply. Your reactions are changing, your thinking is changing, your emotional strength is changing, even your patience feels different now, and you may not fully understand it yet, but this is transformation in progress, and very soon, you will notice something unusual. Things that once delayed you will no longer hold power. Things that once confused you will no longer affect you the same way. And things that once felt impossible will start feeling possible without effort, and in that moment, you will realize something powerful. You were never stuck, you were being prepared to move differently, and now that movement is about to begin, slowly. Not because everything is ending, but because everything is about to begin, and I needed you to reach this point without giving up, because what comes next in your life will not look like your past at all. There will be a moment, very soon, when something shifts suddenly, and you will feel it before you understand it, like a door quietly opening in your life, that you were never able to open before. And in that moment, everything that confused you will start to make sense, not slowly, not over time, but all at once. You will see why certain people left, you will see why certain doors closed, you will see why certain delays protected you, and you will finally understand, nothing was random, nothing was wasted, nothing was against you, it was all preparation. And I know it did not feel like that in the moment. I know there were nights you felt alone, nights you felt forgotten, nights you almost gave up, but you are still here, and that is not an accident, that is proof that something stronger than your struggle has been carrying you. And now you are stepping into a new phase, where you will not need to chase everything anymore, where things meant for you will start recognizing you, where opportunities will come with ease instead of struggle, where clarity will replace confusion, and peace will replace pressure. But before all of that fully arrives, you must understand one last thing: the version of you that survived everything was never the final version, it was the preparation version, and now that version is dissolving, so the real you can finally lead, and when that happens. And now, this is where the message gently ends, but your journey does not, because what has been spoken into your heart is not meant to stay as words only, it is meant to stay as awareness, something that follows you, in your silence, in your thoughts, in your moments alone. And when life feels uncertain again, remember this: you were never forgotten, you were never abandoned, you were never without direction. Even when it felt like everything was silent, something was still working in your favor, quietly, deeply, perfectly timed. And now, as you move forward, do not rush the process, do not fear the unknown, and do not let old doubts lead you again, because a new chapter does not arrive with noise, it arrives with understanding, and one day, without warning, you will look back at everything, and you will finally see, it was never the end, it was always preparation, and in that moment, you will smile, not because everything was easy, but because everything finally made sense.